How to log in into an PalmPay account. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Launch your preferred browser and search for PalmPay. From here, you need to select on the first option, that is PalmPay Finance, or directly search for palmpay.com. Now, starting off, to log in into your PalmPay account, you will have to head over and select your country. At the top, you will see the option of Nigeria as default. You can just click on it and select Ghana or the preferred option. Once you are in here, to log in into your account, navigate to the sign in or log in option that is present at the top of your screen. Then, you'll be redirected to a sign up to PalmPay portal. This is how it's gonna look in your PalmPay application. Select a country and enter your mobile number, after which you will have to enter the CAPTCHA or verify your CAPTCHA. Following with the process, next step is to head over and enter the verification code that is sent to your designated phone number. Then, enter your first name and last name. Set a 4-digit PIN to secure your PalmPay account, after which you'll be able to log in into your PalmPay account. It's a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the help and support of PalmPay. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.